Good morning, everybody. Finally got my Ninja all cleaned up from my trip to Victoria. It was a bit messy. I don't think the bike has ever been that filthy since I've owned it anyway. And as you can see, I've got the child seat on because I'm going to be taking my nephew out for a ride. And I believe in safety. Safety first. That's what I always say. No, actually, I am not. That was just a joke. I'm actually not taking my nephew. I don't even have a nephew, but if I did, I probably wouldn't take him in a car seat. But I am actually transporting the car seat to a friend of mine who needs an extra car seat. So I happen to have this car seat, so I'm just got it on the back of the bike. And I guess I'm trolling a bit because I'm going to run the camera, and I'm really hoping that someone is going to totally frickin' lose it when they see it on the back. I only wish I had like a doll or something to put in the seat. I think that would be perfect. But anyway, so I'm going to switch off here, call my friend to let him know I'm coming, and then we'll troll. We shall troll. Nothing, no comment. Nothing at all. Very strange. How about this chap here? Nope. It's like they don't see anything strange here at all. Very odd. It's like they don't believe anyone could be so stupid. I'm not even experiencing any double takes. No double take? No. I'm kind of disappointed here. How about these days? No. No double takes at all here. How about this guy? Yeah, he's having a look. What the fuck's going on there, he's saying. Okay. So we're having some effect, but perhaps not as much of an effect as I would have hoped. I'm hoping for someone to really lay into me for endangering a child. I'm not even drawing any looks here. Nope. Nope. Nothing to see here, huh? See, she would have been perfect. Young mother with child. Oh, let's see her. Let's check out this pedestrian here. Doesn't seem to think anything is odd here. Nothing is odd at all. So weird. I think if I saw this, I would be like, what the hell? I think I need the doll in there. Oh, with these young ladies. Yeah, she's looking, but I don't know what. I think it might make me a little more visible. Yeah, that guy's looking. I'm thinking, you know what, I should ride around with this thing all the time. It'd be much safer. I've seen a couple smiles, but it's like they assume that nobody could be stupid enough to actually put a child in this thing. Which is probably not the case. I'm sure there are people that are stupid enough to put a child in this. How about you, miss? Yeah, she's looking. Okay, we got one there. We have a winner. He has no notice. Some people just have no sense of humor. One in green had a sense of humor. I could tell. I could see a smirk on that face of hers. The other one was probably thinking, oh, so stupid. So stupid. Perfect. Kids with a sense of humor. Hello? Not. No comments. No angry comments. Everyone sees it as a joke, I suppose. Just a joke. Oh, but I am in earnest. Don't endanger my child. Give this guy a wave here. Oh, I'm enjoying this too much. He's like, what the fuck? I didn't know you could do that. I gotta get me one of them. I don't know if the wife would let me do that though. It's like a raccoon. Look at the raccoons up there. A lot of wildlife in Vancouver. Fairly enormous raccoons. Look at them. Look at those guys.